And I'm back. So I've been away because YouTube put a community strike because some douchebag complained against our videos. So anyway, guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to leave your WhatsApp stage blank. Okay. To do this, like this, for example, it'll look like this. It'll look like this. You see, name, about, it's all empty. To do this, you'll need you'll need sorry, I was playing chess. You'll need two symbols. These two symbols. I've left these symbols on right below this video. So copy to these two symbols. Go to your WhatsApp. You go to your settings. Okay. First, let me change this back to James. Okay. Okay. Whatever. So now to change this, first thing we have to do, delete this and paste the two symbols. Okay. Save. Now go back. Actually, I don't know if you have to save, but go back and remove the arrow alone. So leaving the comma there. Save. See, it's empty. Do the same thing. This message. Delete. Paste. Let's try removing the arrow. Back. Save. There you go. So you don't have to save first, yeah. So it's empty. Done. Got it, guys. So I've left the symbols below. Hope that helps. I'm back.